Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me today for another eyeshadow tutorial. Today I'm using the Urban Decay Cosmetics Naked Heat palette, and honestly I'm kind of in a mood where I'm not buying any new eyeshadow palettes and I'm just using what I have in my collection, which I have a ton of palettes, guys, so I'm trying to use what I have, and this one just stood out to me because this is really a perfect summer eyeshadow palette. So I figured, why not? Let's use it. If you have this in the back of your drawer, bring it out. This is the perfect time to use it. So starting off, this is my transition color, and I'm taking this the shade Sauced and putting that. I didn't really know what I wanted to do today, so I put it in my crease. I kind of like dragged it all over the lid. I kind of just put this everywhere, and that's fine because it's just like a light transition color. So then I went into the shade He Devil and I put that in just the outer corner in the crease. This isn't a fancy, this isn't like a crazy look, guys. This is super easy. Anybody can do it, and I feel like it's the perfect summer look. You can wear this during the day, you can wear this at night, you know. It's whatever you want. So I kind of wanted to do something new with my videos. When I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial, I want to like talk about a topic. So I will still share with you my techniques, but I'll also talk about something. I feel like it would be cool, fun, something different. What do you guys think? I'm going to deepen up the look a little bit. I'm taking the shade Cayenne, which is a really pretty like burnt orange, and I'm putting that in the crease and in the outer V. And for today's topic, I wanted to talk about summer because I feel like when I was a kid, I couldn't wait for summer. It was, you know, we weren't in school, you could do whatever you want. It was, you know, just a lot of fun. And now that I'm an adult, like, summer doesn't exist for me. It's just like, you know, any time of the year, because I really don't get time off or anything. Like, I have a full-time job, so I don't get the summers off anymore. Here I used my concealer for the day. I used Hourglass, and I'm just like doing like a half cut crease kind of thing, and I'm just like I always put like a lot of concealer right on the upper lash line. I look up, and then that gives me the guide. Here I'm just blending it out so it isn't so harsh, and also like not so thick. And this is like a Naked brush, that's, I don't know, probably from like the Naked 2 or 3, and I blended that out. So now I'm taking the shade Dirty Talk, and I put that in the middle of my lid, and then I went in with the shade Lumbre. I don't know if I said that right, but I put that in the inner corner of my lid, and then I just went ahead and blended the crease color in so everything is nice and smooth and blended. So yeah, now as an adult, I just feel like I don't have a summer, you know, and I don't have any summer plans. I just went on a 2-week trip to Europe, so I'm pretty good with that, but I don't get that feeling of summer anymore. I don't know, is it just me? I also live in Miami, so it's kind of summer all year long, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys get excited for summer, or is it the same here? Like when you're an adult, that feeling of, oh my god, it's summer, like that just goes away. What do you guys think? Now I'm going in to my favorite concealer, guys. I know this has taken over my Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is the Hourglass AIRBRUSH concealer, I think. I actually don't even know the name, but it is beautiful. I love it. It covers well. It's lightweight. It's just beautiful. And then paired with the DERMA Blend Loose Setting Powder, guys, I have the most flawless under eyes. And I have wrinkles down there, but this duo just, I don't know, it just makes my under eyes look literally flawless. Flawless. I don't have another word, you know? So now I'm going in to the shade Cayenne, putting that on my lower lash line, and then I'm mixing a little bit of He Devil and a little bit of Sauced, my like first two shades, and I'm blending Cayenne out. I wanted the lower lash line to be a little darker than usual. Let me tell you guys, if you have green eyes, this palette will really, really make them pop. I added on some Ardell Wispies and then called it a day. So yeah, this is the final look. It's a perfect summer look, and it's so easy. If you have green eyes, guys, this palette will just make them pop like crazy. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Let me know if you like my new idea with my eyeshadow tutorials to like talk about a little topic. Yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.